Nelly again, and welcome back to yet another episode of Beauty and Food. So today we're at Kampung Pandan Indah, Luar, and right now we're specifically at Nasi Ayam. So Nasi Ayam, like the name suggests, is chicken rice, and what's different about it is that it's halal chicken rice. So it's Hainan chicken, but halal. So you guys can try and see too. So what's so special about this place is it has been around for approximately 30 years, passed down to another generation. So let's go see what all the buzz is about, alright? Let's go! Introduce you to the dishes that I have on the table, starting with this. This is roasted chicken, whereas this is steamed chicken. Both of it is chicken with cucumber, normal chicken, and we're gonna give it a try. And what's the special thing here on this table is actually this right here. This is called hati and badal. In English that means heart and liver. So yes, they eat heart and liver here. We're gonna check it out. So, apart from that, I have rice, some condiments, chili sauce, soy sauce, and some soup. So, without further ado, let's dig in. So, which one should I try first? I'm gonna go with this, right? Okay. Nice and chunk. I don't know if it's just me, but I really like mixing my soup with my rice. It makes it more, I don't know, it just makes it nicer. Something that I would like to point out here is that the rice is, I think it's actually cooked with ginger. I can taste a bit of ginger in it. Nice. Let's just have the chicken alone. Oh, it's really crispy. I like the skin a lot. I know it's unhealthy, but I like chicken skin. Okay. It is decently good. Moving on to the steamed chicken. Let me try to get a smaller, easier to eat piece. Okay. Have a nice decent piece of chicken, some sauce. It's good. It's not too salty, not too peppery. It's just right for me. It's more on the more bland side. So if you prefer something saltier, I wouldn't recommend this for you. But then again, the roasted chicken is more saltier. So like if you prefer that, go for the roasted chicken. If not, go for the steamed chicken. But it's not tasteless or anything, so you don't have to worry about that. I mean, you can always add more soy sauce to it if you want to. So, the moment we've all been waiting for. I can't speak, sorry, my mouth is full. So, I'm guessing the small pieces is the badal, the liver. This is actually my first time having liver, But let's just do it. Let's do it. Okay. Liver has a very distinct taste. It's really chewy. It has a... I can't really describe this in words. It just really tastes like chicken, you know? You can just taste chicken out of it. If you like chewier meats, this is for you. And it's small, so I don't think it's gonna be too filling. You can have a lot of this. It's definitely on the savory side if you're wondering. It's definitely not sweet. It's savory, chewy, and it just tastes like chicken. I have no better vocabulary for this. So let's go on with the heart. It's a bit of a bigger piece, so I'm just gonna separate it. Whew, got a piece of lettuce right there. I just did that. Okay, let's go for it. Okay. This has a very strong flavor. It's a bit powdery. When you bite it, it's like a powdery residue. And it has a really strong, what's the word? I'm not sure how iron tastes like, but it tastes more like iron, I suppose. But overall, I'm guessing, because I've never had this before, so I'm guessing it's pretty good because I'm eating it without problem. So definitely give this a try. I mean, if you're not into innards, get the chicken. If you're into innards, this is just perfect for you. Alright guys, so before I continue to pick myself out on these big feasts, I'm just gonna give you a little review from me. This is my personal opinion. You might have different opinions, nobody knows. But I'm gonna give this perhaps an 8 out of 10 because I really like everything. But I'm not such a big fan of innards, so I'm not too sure how to rate that. But apart from that, everything is good. The chicken, it's very big portions. Nice roasted chicken, nice steamed chicken, the soup, everything is great. So please check it out. And until next time, please tune in again to Beauty and Food. Bye guys!